The Little River and the Big Tree. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there was a tall, strong tree that stood proudly by a small, sparkling river. The tree often boasted about how big and important it was, while the river quietly flowed by, doing its work without a word. One day, the tree said to the river, "Look at me, I am the mightiest in the forest. My branches give shade and animals live in my hollow. You, on the other hand, are small and just trickle along. What good do you do?" The river gently replied, "Every living thing in this forest depends on me. Without water, none of you could survive." But the tree laughed and said, "That can't be true. I stand tall without your help. I have been here for years and I have never needed you." The river smiled but didn't argue. Days went by and everything seemed fine until one hot summer. The sun shone so brightly and rain didn't fall for weeks. Slowly, the ground began to dry up. The leaves on the big tree started to turn brown, and the animals had no shade or food. The river, too, had become just a small stream, but it still flowed. One morning, the tree was feeling weak. Its roots were dry, and it whispered, "River, can you help me?" The river replied, "I will always help, but remember, we all need each other. Big or small, every part of nature is important." With that, the river sent a trickle of water toward the tree's roots. The tree drank the water and slowly it came back to life. From that day on, the tree no longer boasted. It had learned that every part of nature, no matter how small, plays a vital role. Moral of the story: we all have something valuable to offer, no matter how big or small. Everyone and everything has its own importance.